llamas and alpacas. The track can be a little bit bumpy in places, so if you could all remain seated throughout the journey, keeping your arms and legs inside the trailers at all times, and your arms around any little ones with you. Any questions that you have, please don't hesitate to speak to the driver at the end of the journey. But on the way round, you will hear lots of information about the animals we have over here.
More donkeys over there.
Shetland ponies, who as the name suggests, originate from the Scottish islands of Shetland. Despite their smaller size and stature, they are still incredibly strong animals, and here in Wales they were very often used as pit ponies down in the coal mines. We have several Shetland ponies here at Folly Farm, some of whom you may have seen over in the Jolly Barn. They are frequently rotated so that those that are in the farm during the day go out to pasture at night and vice versa. Here at Folly Farm we have a variety of breeds of sheep, some of which you should be able to spot as we make our journey. We have our Baldwins, which are a native Welsh breed of sheep, and when their name is translated into English it means white